Stop for me. Julie, let's all be friends again. She used it to cover over where I wrote my name and wrote her name. Hello guys, it's Mary from the future. Just been waiting for the moment that I was going to get to say that, but well, it's me from the future while editing the video, and I just said let me give you guys a better and quick introduction and explanation onto what you're about to enter, right? So that was this is my first chit chat, sit down, detangling video, and I will say that I did my best that I could. So we're going to be talking about 2 stories, and I hope that you'll be able to learn something from this video and you share your own experiences with me. If you'd like us to talk about it in another video, also do well to let me know. I shared my experiences and I shared what I learned, and I just came here to say quickly that if you are in any toxic relationship, toxic relationship doesn't only apply to boyfriend-girlfriend relationship. Yes, so if you're in any toxic friendship, this is your sign to leave, because if I was paying attention, there are some things that I would have already picked up. But anyway, we were young. They say when you are a child, you behave like a child. With that, let's just get into the video. Let's start from the front, because why not? Let's talk about friendships, right? If you're listing top 10 things, top 10 rubbish that happened to me, that should be one of them. If you see me looking down, please, it's because I'm trying to check that I still filming, because I'm not understanding my laptop today. You can imagine losing your textbook close to exam, and I didn't know, I just felt it was lost, do you understand? And moved on without the textbook. Then I think sometime after the exams or something, I can't really remember when. I don't know, let's say I appreciate her for telling me the truth, and no judgment here. I don't know what I was doing that time, because I don't know, most people would have ended such a relationship after what's happened, but for some reason I still kind of continued until I left the school. When I left the school, that her chapter closed for me. After I was looking for textbook, it passed, I don't know where it was and all of that. So one day she was like, oh, that she has something to tell me, or I said, what's that? She said, oh, that her own textbook got missing, she did not know where it was, so she stole mine, basically. I don't know how to call it stealing. It's stealing, right? She took mine and used sellotape to cover my name and wrote her name over the tape, this type of tape here. She used it to cover over where I wrote my name and wrote her name. The only reason why she told me, let's talk about that, because she wouldn't have told me, right? So she only told me this because... So guys, my space finished though. So in case you guys don't know, what I'm using for detangling is my tea, the detangler, and the scissors. The scissors is somewhere nearby. The scissors is very important. So I even got the detangling combo. That detangling comb. Let me use my hand first. Because I actually got it to be used, right? So I just twisted this up so it wouldn't dry out. So she only told me because her own textbook, she eventually found her textbook. That's why she told me that she took mine. If she didn't find hers, I wouldn't have known that she took my own textbook. Now I don't know why, for some reason that time I just, as if I did not have sex, mine was not correct, because who knows what else, right, that she could have taken from me. But for some reason at that point I didn't think about that. I didn't think of, and I don't even know what was I thinking. So I don't know, what do you guys think about this? My own friend, I don't know if I don't think this is the worst thing that friends have done to each other, or friends can do to each other. But it's crazy because even after knowing, okay, after she told me that, I didn't even say, is there any other thing you've taken from me? I don't remember if I said anything like that to her. I didn't even, I just okay, you stole from me. Julie, let's all be friends again. At least you gave me back the textbook. That was the innocent mind I was carrying that period. People need to be careful. Please don't be like me. Who knows? No offense if ever in life she sees this video. In fact, offense, because she stole my textbook. But this kind of person, I don't think the person can see you and want something good for you just because her own textbook was missing. She took mine. So I don't know if I'm taking it extra mile, but if anybody should ask me, I would say that if something good came to me and it didn't come to her, and it's something that I don't know, quote unquote, she wants, she does it. She wouldn't mind throwing me under the bus. I don't know the extent that she can go if she was able to steal my textbook. Like, it's crazy. Have you ever been with friends that steal from you? And she was supposedly my only closest friend. Then everybody in school knew that we were close. So what I would say I learned from this experience, which I'm actually learning now, which is rather late, I really need to pay attention to what my friends do to me and how they make me feel. If I were to advise myself, which I'm trying to do now, I would try and bring my eye down, pay attention more to how my friends react around me. If my friends really actually even like, you can be thinking that how do you put that in? I'm thinking that somebody is your friend, but are you that person's friend? Like when the person is listing people that they are close to, are you like, would the person even remember you? Like, what does the person refer to you as? I have one of my friends, I don't know, let me just share her experience to kind of give an example. I won't call her name, and it's not like it's a very bad thing, but it was just like an eye opener. This person she saw as her closest friend, in her department, all of them are close, go to each other's house. She goes the extra mile for this person, right?
Okay, so let me just explain it better here because I found out that I was explaining what I don't really understand while I am editing the video. So if situation presented itself, right, where this my friend and her supposed close friend that she would tell people that, oh, this person is my close friend. The situation presented itself where, they were before somebody else, and that somebody else, asked this her friend, like, who is she to you? Like, when did you guys meet? All of that. And this girl told this strange person that this person is just my classmate, and my friend was very heartbroken.
One thing that I would
because
say that I'm really
she
learning
would
is
in
I really
outside
know
situations
if
tell people that this
my
person is
friends
her
actually
friend, she'll go the
are
extra
my
mile for this
friends. And I also
person.
began to
But this
learn
person came out
that,
and told somebody
well, I
that
thought before I
he's
used to
my
be like, I
classmate.
don't
Like
judge, as long as
it
you're
was, it
cool,
is
you
kind
are
of embarrassing to her,
outgoing like me,
and it
I
was
can be
also
friends
an
with you,
eye-opening
I can be
experience
friends
for
with you,
me,
all of that.
because you might think that you and
Not
somebody
anymore, right?
are,
Very bad idea.
all that, but
It
the
made me
person
realize
doesn't
that because
actually
a friend
take
is
you
someone
like
supposed
that.
to share mutual interests with you. So if you are interested in people, doesn't mean that you guys will be the same people, though. We'll not be exactly the same, but at least let me give an example. But that's for me. Like, at least two of you maybe go to the same church. You guys believe, okay, that you guys want to go to heaven together, want to have the belief of you want to do better, to be a better Christian, right? I've been close to a lot of people, even those that are not, that don't have the same interest as I do. And as I started realizing it, I started being more on my own, and I started realizing that I don't really have that much friends. And it's a bit lonely, but we're fine. I think I also learned that there's nobody that you can't live without. I don't know, does that make sense? Nobody is irreplaceable. Like, there are people that you say, oh, you see, if you have a good person, not say it's me that told you. If you have someone that is good in your life and you're being the one that is being toxic and being a bad person, but that change, because there are people that when you lose, you'll be like, oh, you lost them and you are not supposed to, right? But at the same time, you will leave, you'll be fine. Eventually, you'll get over it. Also, don't forget, they say people used to forget. Please, I have a goal I'm trying to reach. I'm already entering half of the year, and that goal that I draw in my vision board, I've not done it yet. So please, don't forget, subscribe, like, gist to me. I finished gist to you. Tell me your own experience. We could even talk about it in our next sit down and talk videos.
And with that, we kind of had an abrupt end. I started filming this video very late at night, so I was really tired. I will do better in my next sit down and talk video. That's if you guys want it.